Hi guys, Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics, and on today's video we will be showing you how to use Siser metal. Alright guys, and for this project we are going to need any shade that you choose of Siser metal. You are going to need scissors. You are going to get your preferred weeding tool. You are going to need your mat and whatever you decide to put it on. I'm going to do it on a shirt, but you could do it on a tote bag, on a canvas, whatever you like, then that's what you choose. Alright guys, when using Siser metal and you're ready to cut your image, you need to put your color side down. We are going to carefully put it on our mat. Take all the bubbles out. You need to insert it into your machine. And you're going to insert it in. Now, when you're cutting Siser metal, the settings need to be on light cardstock. It seems thin and it's flexible, that's why it seems really nice and light, but it's actually a thicker vinyl, which you use the same settings as your glitter vinyl. So those of you that use Cricut, use like cardstock on glitter, same thing for metal. I have already chosen a Phoenix SVG that I'm going to be cutting on this beautiful bronze metal. I will drop a link below of where I got this SVG, so if you guys want it, you guys could go and download it. I have already, and yes, I'm working on an iPad, which is the cool thing about these machines nowadays, right? So I have already previously selected the size of it. I'm going to select Make It. I have already Bluetoothed my iPad to my Cricut. After we click Make It, it'll say Next, and here it's going to show you that you are already going to need a bigger size mat, which we do. Alright, and once you click it, it will give you that fast mode, but since it's a very intricate cut, this is where I don't like to use the fast mode. So let's go ahead and click on the cut button and watch it craft. Alright guys, now we can remove our project. Now we take it off of the mat. So I like to put the HTV facing down on the table and rolling the mat off, so that way my sheet of vinyl does not curl up. There you have it. Alright guys, now that we have finished cutting our design, as you see here, we are going to cut the extra out. For a much easier weed. Now remember the QR code. You could scan your camera of your phone over it to get the directions on what settings, how hot, for how long, and if it's a hot or cold feel. Metal is a cold feel. Going to flip it over and we are going to start weeding. If you guys haven't used these pens, I highly suggest them. I like the strong grip, makes it a little easier to weed with, and it helps with all the little nooks and crannies for all the little simple stuff. Look at how easy it is to weed metal, guys. As long as your blade is sharpened, and you have it on the right setting, everything will weed like butter. Look at all that little detail, guys. These are very, very, very intricate details, and it's coming out so easily. Like I said, if you guys haven't used this pen before, what are you waiting for? Look at this. Now when I get to really small, intricate stuff, that's when I like to pull out my little tweezers. I need this help with this little small, super small, tiny eye. Other than that, we continue with the process. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, now that we are ready to press, we are going to do a quick 3-second press on our shirt to make sure we have all of the moisture out of the shirt, which is super important. I kind of already know where I want it on my shirt. Kind of know the middle of the shirt. Remember, guys, when you're doing a decal, you need to fold it a quick half, not from plastic to plastic, but from the ending of one image to the ending of your other image. Then that's going to show you exactly where the middle of your image, your whole decal is. So that's telling me it's right there. I am going to put it on my shirt. Now that I know that it's there where I want it, I am going to go ahead and press. Metal is 285 for 10 seconds. And this one is at firm pressure. Again, if you guys don't know the settings, you guys could always go to our website. On our website, we have all the information. Also, we also have the information on the QR code on the sheet. Now, remember, for this one, it is a cold peel. So for this one, I am going to remove it away from the heat press, and I am going to let it cool down. And here is our final project. Now that it has cooled down, we can go ahead and peel it. And the cool thing about Siser metal, that if you press it one time, you get that nice shiny foil look to it. But if you press it 2 times, you get a totally different look. Yes, guys, you could get 2 different looks out of 1 sheet of vinyl. Here we have our gold and our silver metal from Siser. 2 totally different looks. Thanks for watching today's video on how to use Siser metal. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. See you guys next time.